Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ailey. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look that you can see me wearing just now. I am testing out some Makeup Revolution stuff just now, so I just thought that I would do a eyeshadow tutorial at the same time because I really only have 1 or 2 days a week to film, so I have to kind of cram in as much as I can. So I just decided to do this eye look for you, and I really like how it turned out actually. I was kind of worried about how green would look with purple hair, but my purple hair is suffering just now. Yeah. I would not recommend Manic Panic. It pains me to say that because it was such a beautiful colour, but it just came out so fast. But it's left like a really weird colour, so I think I'm going to have to like give it a bleach again and then go in with, because this one up here that is still here is, what's it called, Arctic Fox or something like that, and I really like how it's grabbed, so yeah, anyway, we'll just ignore my hair. But I really like how the greens and that just kind of turned out in this look. It is a spotlight eye, so if you want to see how I did it, then just keep watching, and if you do enjoy it, I would love if you would give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so yeah, hopefully I will see you in the next one.